Hey, Rithian.
Yes, friend?
If you were to ask someone to take a picture of your best side, how would you say that in Swedish?
For fuck's sake.
Best side.
Yeah.
Kan du ta en bild från din bästa sida?
Okay.
Yeah, it's not as fun, is it?
Silas, how do you say it in Dutch?
You know how you say it in Dutch. Why don't you?
I don't know I don't know how to say
say.
take a picture though.
Oh, name een foto.
Name and photo of my
Yeah.
moist cunt.
What?
That's what it is.
Mijn mooiste
Wow.
kant, my prettiest side.
Yep.
But of course, it sounds very
Wow.
funny. It sounds like my moist cunt in English, doesn't it?
Yeah. It does, and I, for one, am shocked.
Dutch isn't all the language in English.
This
that's what I'll
family
say.
stream.
Yep.
What the hell?
Yep.
Oh my god.
There's a note for next week. It's 5:50 we have to stop by.
That's when it gets too far.
That's when it gets spicy.
Deteriorating, yeah.
Listen. That's not it's just Dutch.
It's just Dutch.
Well, it was
exactly.
Dutch until
it is
Silas said what it sounded like. Then it was all English.
Oh, yeah.
That's not on me.
No, that's
No,
on Silas.
of course not. Of course not. It's
What
all
is-
on me.
Sid says ask Rithian how to say sugar my cake in Swedish.
Okay. Well, I mean, obviously I know what he's going for, but
What's it going for, really?
so socker på min kaka.
Yeah?
Saco
I-
pimento caco.
I don't even see what's funny about that. Obviously, like
Just, honestly, Bambi did it first, really.
so I'm very chaste, so I don't get it. So.
Right, yeah. I forgot how chaste you
Don't
are.
sugar
Yeah.
many cakes, do you?
Nope, not really. No, I've never really
Saco
sugared
my
a cake.
caca.
I'm not even. That's not what I said.
Okay.
Oh, but that's just not what I said at all.
That's what Fav said. Oh,
But
Wow,
that's
for
not
fuck's
true,
sake,
though.
Fav.
come on, Fav. This is a Christian
Jesus.
stream.
This is a family-friendly
K-
Christian stream.
Well, okay. First of all, it should really be torta, and not. But what they meant was obviously cake,
Yeah.
as in more biscuit, which is coca or K-A-K-A.
Coca, yeah.
Yeah, no, yeah. But I obviously, since I got the joke, I had to use the words that were needed. Yeah. And really,
Amazing.
you wouldn't just say like, take sugar on cake. You
Yeah.
would say like, besugar or besokra, mean torta, which would not make the joke any funny anymore. So I played along,
Rithian's a good guy.
and I hope that everyone is happy.
I am.
Good.